Sometimes till the sunshine, showtime, let's get it.
Trish.
Ben.
Colin.
I'm Quinn.
If you jump to the end,
Hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe.
let's go to him. We're back with 71 diversity.
Okay.
We're starting with Nona. Okay, today we're not getting this wrong. Where is Nona from?
Philippines.
Okay, good.
Wait.
I almost said Indonesia.
I was going to say I was Indonesia. thinking of Indonesia. I was thinking of Indonesia.
Brian, you got it wrong for the 50th time.
No, maybe
It's
just.
always Philippines. I always tell you guys.
The Philippines, it's you.
Indonesia. Bini.
It's
Bini. SB19.
Bini is Indonesia.
Indonesia is Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Okay.
You fed us slides in a
Remember,
minute.
like a lady from Hearts to Hearts.
Mm.
She's also from Indonesia. Carmen,
Yeah,
which is also an easy check. Which one?
yeah, Indonesia. Indonesia. The last time we got it wrong and then we just.
Bini
Non-
is Philippines.
These three groups they can really like confuse. Bini, Nona, and there's which one again? It's just two of them. Okay. Anyway, we are back with Honk. We are seeing a bass right here, right? We're starting with Honk. Let's go.
Well,
So,
That's the honk of that.
Yeah.
wow, they look so nice.
okay, my bad.
The honks of back in the day, they were like songs.
Yeah. Even nowadays in the
Yeah,
lorries,
the
they
buses
like to
like
put
that.
this.
Even huge trucks.
Yeah.
I don't like it when the
Trucks or
road is
buses.
so
Especially when the drivers arrive, for example, at the station, they like to be.
Yeah.
And people that like cheering for them. Sabang and okay. Ah. Turn it up. Okay.
Esther.
Yeah.
Oh, skip playing.
Okay.
And
It's a
It's
different
still the
one.
horn.
yeah, I did not expect this.
Yeah.
Different type of sounds.
Wow. This is creative.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that violent this?
Yeah.
Kaka. Okay. She sounds like in a studio. Oh.
That's fine.
Oh, the visuals.
Bro.
This song is so different, bro. Different sounds.
Hey.
The same is bad.
Hey.
Wow, wow.
Wow.
Very creative. The honks.
Honks, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ain't gonna lie, this is one of the first Nona songs that has a lot of elements in it. Like it's not just one genre or two genres. It was changing. You know, I was expecting the chorus to be like how the horn is sounding. And then it was just like a pre-chorus, a merely pre-chorus. And then the chorus sounds different. Like let me explain by playing it. Okay. I thought this was going to be the chorus. And then here they did the and then they changed. You see?
Oh.
You know what I'm trying to say?
Okay, yeah. sounds a different tone.
Yeah.
From the first one.
This is what we had from the beginning here. And then you change it. Don't you think it's different to sound?
Yeah.
It's not the same. It's not the same with this one. It's not the same with this one. This is the same with this one here. It's coming after here. But it's not the same as what's following after. It's the same as this.
Yeah.
But it just like yeah, like it's so different. It's like you're not understanding the next move, you know? Don't let your enemy know your next move. This is what was happening. A lot was happening in the sound part. Yeah. But overall, the song was nice. The ladies looked absolutely fantastic.
Their outfits were great.
Outfit, colors, the lighting. What lights are they using? You just get the lights on high, and then the background is kind of like not fully dark. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
Visual effects is crazy, man. Like absolutely fantastic. Esther killed it.
Oh, fire.
The video is so creative.
Baila, bro, baila. I think I said baila was my bars before. Hey, what? Oh, I'm mistaken. It was baila, right? How?
You used to say yes, that you and then.
Ben was
That was
Esther.
the only one who was saying Esther.
Esther.
Esther's my bias sister.
Who's this one?
That one, yeah.
That is right.
Okay, this one, baila, this one. Oh, I was saying. Shaz. There's Shaz and there's baila. I think it was baila.
Shaz is the tall. I was
Yeah.
trying to remember the name.
Shaz.
Shaz.
You say what? They were singing something here. You couldn't hear. It's a chant. Wow. Baila, bro. Tasha.
Yeah. Before her.
Yeah. Before Esther.
Shaz is there.
Yeah. They killed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a unique idea. Fantastic stuff. Alright.
Bini now.
Now we're going to be. Now this is from Philippines.
Philippines.
A parallel world.
From Forgotten
Parallel.
Island.
Forgotten Island is an animation.
Maybe.
Do we have subtitles in this one? No. Okay.
Parallel world. Maybe.
There's a dragon there. That's sweet. That was also the
These ladies are so pretty.
Bini.
Yeah.
We watched the trailer in the other channel. I was like, what?
Oh, I saw this one.
There's something always doing this one.
You even post that trailer with good copyright. What's the names? Gwen, Johanna, Nika, Stacy, Aya. How many are there? Shita, Colette. Wow.
This song is so nice.
It's the language. Oh, we're happy. Okay? When the world ends. Matunga. they're making the characters.
That's the image.
One more time, chorus. You and I together.
Wow.
It's not out.
It's not yet out.
They wrote there then.
Yeah, September. So what they watched, it was those early screening, right? That superstars watch, like how people watch Spider-Man before. That was nice, but not gonna lie, the song was very amazing. It's a very, very catchy song. Very catchy song. And also, I love the fact that they showed us the process. You know, it's always important to get to see how things happen, the process, the behind the scenes. We get to see that. We get to see them in the studio. We also seen them going to watch the movie and then makes the song 10 times better. It's a very catchy song. You don't need even to listen to it 2 times to like it. Just the first time. The way they sound, bro, like the instruments.
The soft tracks of the song where they use the soft sounds. I don't know if that's the right explanation.
Yeah,
But I like the part when they were singing so soft.
together.
Yeah.
And then they're literally saying, like they're saying together and they're doing everything together. That part they're singing together, right? Like all of them in unison.
Yeah, that was so
There.
They sound so good.
yeah, you see that soft voice.
Ah, that is the riff. Is it reverb or what is that? Like microphone effects sound.
I don't know.
I remember Joga used to say.
Uh,
It's not reverb, it's what?
can you play it again?
He used to call it in Swahili like phony, but it's like you're putting an effect, like you're hearing someone like in an echo with microphone. That
Oh, it's just compressed.
compression.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was so nice.
I like that.
Sentiment song.
Yeah. Especially if you watch the, what is it called? The trailer, you know, like this, they kind of like what, they were best friends or
They were
sisters?
best friends.
Yeah. Best friends and they stuck together.
Yeah.
Twin, yeah.
The
What's up,
twinnies.
twin? Yeah, they're twin. And also these
You
ladies,
were unlocked.
they literally living the world together. Because they're together. There are a lot of members in one group, bro. You say 8 members or 6? 8,
Eight.
yeah, it's 8 members together. Okay, that was fire. Shout out to Bini. You and I. Hopefully we can visit Philippines one day and visit them and interview them. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Can I get an amen?
Amen.
The main twin.
Yeah, bro.
8-stan Stagefright, basically. 8-stan is from Japan? Or no, it's from Japan. Why do I always think it's 8-stan from Japan? What is that group called something tan from Japan? I don't know why I have these thoughts. Stagefright. it like his song alone?
Maybe there's like a color.
Don't like me. Oh.
I know you don't do stage fright. Under all light.
Come on now.
Stage light. All I need is your eyes. You got me, you got me. Paradise, I'm on a high. Ain't nobody else like you. Every day, I can burn. Show you dance like ooh. Baby, go where you need. Take your time, get my heart. Get a rock. Get hurt a little. Just a little. Make it hurt a little. Just a little. Make it hurt a little. So she's on it. 난 좀 비겁해. Just tell me where the kids 가는 방법은 어디에? When you call, I'm not the same. Hey, if you wanna play me like a fiddle, I'm okay. Hey, tell me you want, say you want. Get your head off 내 뒤를 볼 땐 쳐다도 아쉽지 않게 하자. 제만 가. 눈물이 오니까 tensions. Burning inside. touching the name, need spotlight. 한번 틀릴 때도 ride or die. Another show, everybody's watching. God, I know you don't do stage fright. 다 올라. 너의 진실을 골라. All I need is your eyes.
So many of those.
You got me. Paradise, on a high. Ain't nobody else like you. Every step, every time. 내가 못 해서 그때만 너도 break your bones. Get my heart. Get around right back. Get hurt a little. Make it hurt a little. Just a little. Make it hurt a little. Hurt a little. Get around right back. Get hurt a little.
Wow.
Oh,
Stage fright.
Was shot.
no, I was trying to really talk.
I think they nailed it at the end. This make a little part, bro. You just wanna chill here. Then what do you mean it's over?
Hurt a little.
Takashi, man.
It's like we were warming up and then
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it the first time they sang Make It a Little?
No, they did it the
They
first
did it the first time.
And then I came again.
That's why we liked it so much at the end. I was like, what?
Oh.
Okay.
That's how it's black and white.
They
Yeah.
Ah.
They did.
Yeah. They did it.
I love this part. They are dancing as they're moving and then it ends like they're gone.
And the special effects were crazy. Like the VFX, it was epic. Like how they were showing those pillars. Do you call them pillars?
Yeah.
Kind of like cracking. They're about to fall on them. All different doors from like floating from the air, like somewhere around here and stuff. The visual effects were epic. That was nice, man. 8-star, you're killing it. From the choreo, from the way the song sounds.
The musical instruments.
Yeah,
Loved them.
it was very good. It was amazing. Even the visuals, even though it's black and white, you can still see the visuals. Look at
Wow. Black, bro.
that. They're 7. Wow.
6.
So they called 8-star. It would be perfect if there was one Stagefright and they're 8.
I'll say it's 8.
8-star, yeah.
Okay.
No, they said 8 times, so 7.
8-star. So you're turning
Go
to
back.
you're going back. Okay.
Oh.
What the people
Ah,
are saying?
7, okay.
Holy shit, this song is hella good, guys.
Oh,
This
wow.
better be on the set list for the tour.
Okay.
Oh, they're doing a tour? I really want to see the day they get successful and get the recognition they deserve. Aren't they successful? Up like 1.2 M.
They need more of it.
But there's
They need more recognition, more success, more everything.
yeah. Alright. That was nice, Eitan. Shout out to Eitan. And now we're going to.
Turkey.
I saw the comments. Guys, watch Crash. It's a new Turkish group, if I'm not mistaken. I was like, Crash? So they're doing this song called Bakiş. Obviously, I don't know how to read Turkish.
Crash is the
It's a group. Yeah.
Oh, an idol house stuff.
Yeah. So I don't know how to read this, but maybe it's Bakiş. But yeah. Let's go.
Oh, it's a boy group.
Yeah.
please.
DJ, please.
So like,
Yeah.
Wait, why does it seem like a
Yeah.
Hey! Crash! What is this?
Yeah, we know this.
Back in the day,
Yeah.
it's a teaser.
yeah, that's two sentences.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a teaser, maybe introduction.
Hey, too short.
You study that.
It's an introduction. It's an introduction for the group.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Okay, boys.
Hey.
Alright, we see the visuals.
The nose piercing.
Let's go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay. Hey. Alright, boys. We see. Yeah, the song was called Crash, and also they are called Crash. I saw the comment saying, guys, please watch Crash. But why did they? Oh, we watched it already.
We did?
Why is it not the one following? New era. So we should watch it, right? Because I saw people saying, guys, please watch Crash.
Okay.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Did we really click? Maybe we were supposed to watch this and we clicked something different. Let's go. There's no subtitles, so let's go. Crash.
This is like a sculpture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice cake.
I thought it was a shirt.
Wow.
Let's go for them.
Yeah.
The big on fire. Okay.
Gülümsemek ister misin? Yoksa durup izler misin? Bildiklerim çok değil ama senin gibileri bilmez miyim? Dene hadi ama bizden olmaz. Sen de biliyorsun nedenini sorma. Yine de geliyorsun ateşime korla. Senle ben derbeder bize bu dünya. Seni farklı
Dünya.
gördüm yani. Nasıl kaçabilirim bu gönlümden? Benim olmanı isterken yordun baygı sıkıldım ben. Çok
Bro,
geçti
his hairstyle.
üstünden. Boş yeri bana hep küstünden. Ben de karaladım üstünden. Üstüme gelmeyin. Ne zamana kadar vermesin? Henüz ona karar vermedim. Buralara kolay gelmedim.
Oh, I like the vocals.
Anlamadım anlattığım dili. Olamadım anlattığım gibi. Bu da benim anlattığım bir dil. Ne zamana kadar vermesin? Henüz ona karar vermedim. Buralara kolay gelmedim. Anlamadım anlattığım dili. Olamadım anlattığım gibi. Bu da benim anlattığım bir dil. Kız sen ne güzelsin. Hem sevgim hem şüphemsin.
Oh.
Kalbim senin olsun. Saklı dursun üstü kalsın. Yok mu bu kalbin haritası? Ömrümün her bir dakikası. Ah, ben de kal canım. Biz dünyanın 7 harikası.
Yeah.
Ne zamana kadar vermesin? Henüz ona karar vermedim. Buralara kolay gelmedim. Anlamadım anlattığım
Come on. Bro, that part is strong.
Bu da benim anlattığım bir dil.
an SK sponsor.
Wow. The chorus, I don't know, it's the chorus.
Yeah.
That was so
It was
nice.
very catchy.
Yes.
They really know to sing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was so nice.
Yeah. Especially the dance, bro, like that choreo, especially in that stage, the lighting stage part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They went hard on that choreo right there, bro. You could see it. That was fire.
Also the idea, like the starched, what do you call starch? Yeah, statue. Sculpture, statue, like, it's an amazing idea. Did they actually make sculptures of them? Or is the idea? Because it looks so clean, bro. Literally looks like a real sculpture.
Maybe.
So this is a new group, right?
Yeah.
They killed it, man. What do the people have to say about it?
This year. It's in there now.
Just family business. Honestly, we are not bots. Just
Huh?
family business.
Don't get it.
People are maybe are saying they're bots. Like people, maybe they got a lot of love. But this, just seeing this ratio here, it means like this is real people. If it was 10k likes, then you'd be like, how comes you have 4 million? This ratio to this is real. Maybe people are trying to like, you know, assuming or trying to slander them, saying it's bots. People are like, honestly, we're not bots, it's just family business. They're just here to support. Hey guys, could you please?
Okay.
It's a reason to listen. Yeah, we liked it. Okay. What a crazy fandom. Look at the number of comments. It brought back all my K-pop memories. How many comments? Hey, 175,000.
Wow.
That's why maybe people like alleged to call them bots. Because it's crazy. Wow. Respect to everyone who waited without watching the leaked videos. Oh, the videos got leaked. Flags are half mast in Korea because they lost what?
I'm so confused.
Yes, mom, that day with the ants we reached 1 million views. Bro, is this translating very good, Google? Google, are you really translating the real lyrics? Starting the day with the song Crash makes me feel clean. Yeah, that's an amazing debut song, not gonna lie. They look like they have experience with music industry, like the way they're dancing, the way they're singing, the way they look at the camera. They're just on point. They're killing it, man. That was nice. Shout out to Crash, man. How many members are they?
7.
8. 7, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's 7. Okay, amazing. Can't wait to see more of their works. Now we're going to Xiaoting. Legend. Let's go.
Shouting. I'm a legend. Yes, you
Oh, forgot about that. No, there's no.
Watch me, I'm transforming. Know what you give, what you get. Wish I had the clear in my head. So every day I'm living fast. I'm a legend. When you want, I get it.
Okay.
I'm a boss, so set it.
What I want to get it.
Manifesting the
And you won't forget.
Hey.
I'm a legend. Legend. Like 1, 2, 3.
legend. Hey, Xiaoting, that was fire. You're a legend for real. I enjoyed the dance. Because I was like, is Xiaoting from KIBAHA? She is from KIBAHA. Okay. So this is a solo song. Is it a debut? Oh no. Because we've seen the Xiaoting before. I love that she debuted in Chinese. Yeah, that's her first debut as a soloist. Really shows her personality. So the whole song was like, it was more of a Chinese song, more than a Korean. That was nice. She a legend, bro. I really enjoyed the Afro fusion in it. Like, it was not fully Afro. There's a part where they were dancing, but I could hear the Afro beat.
Yeah.
You could hear that
Some
part?
elements, yeah.
Is it here? That sounds Afro. Yeah, I think it was there. And they mixed different genres. I love the mega crew dancing with her. She a legend. She's the only one standing with the silver and others with blacks. Like, she a literal legend. Yeah, you know that video you'll be watching in TikToks. I'm a little legend. You know that?
I don't know.
You'd be like,
singing that song in this melody.
Yeah,
That's the
it's-
problem. You're singing that song.
You know it? You know that trend?
Yeah, we know it. But you are singing it with this melody.
It's like, and then they're finishing with literal legend, something
Yeah.
like that. How does it
The way you
work?
sang it.
It's different.
Let me write it here. Literal legend. Come on, literal legend. That's what they say.
Don't stay.
I'm a literal legend.
I know, right? Which TikTok do we use?
Yeah,
Because
I've never heard that.
never had it.
We don't even hear.
Or maybe there was.
Slow that one. Down.
Never heard that one is different from the way you're singing.
You were talking about this one.
That's
So
what I
that you
said.
can sing that, you
For
didn't
you,
sing
You
it.
are
I
singing it with this melody.
I'm a little legend.
You say tiddle, tiddle.
Turu. You got me fucked up, bro. What you doing? Hey, brother, twin, what you doing? But yeah, she's a literal legend. She deserves that edit. Please, somebody edit her with this song edits and put her in a little legend. She's a legend for sure, man. You gotta manifest, you know, and she manifesting. She a living legend. Shout out Xiaoting, that was amazing. Our Birthday. That's a song.
Song
That's
is
their
about
name.
that.
That's the name.
I mean, yeah, that's their name. Our Birthday.
Birthday.
That's the
Wow.
name. Hungry is the song. This is a B-side performance video.
You
From
are
Side
JYP.
in our birthday.
Bro, why does it have 8 million views already?
It's JYP.
Side B is just like the B-side, isn't it?
JYP.
Is it?
Why is the group is Ourbirthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a new group or what?
from JYP.
Oh wow.
Side A and side B have unique voice. Ah, there's two different sides. I thought it's the B-side. You remember like when BTS released side B-side and there's...
Yeah, it's side A and side B of the album.
Huh?
Ah.
Not like A.
So
Side B.
we just wondering first, because we wanna know like what's side A, what's side B, and why is it written besides the angry? Yeah, like
Angry
maybe
might
it's a
be
B-side.
the name
It
of
has
the
side
song.
A of the song, right? Do they have side A and side B? Like
Of the same song.
yeah, because that's what they used to do. Butter side, B-side. Like we saw the video, and then we have another different video, but it's the same song. But now with them, is it side A? Why is it written hungry?
Yeah, group with many people.
Okay, we'll read the comments after. Let's watch this.
The beat is so nice.
Sorry. Doesn't even have subtitles.
Why our birthday?
Well,
Our birthday.
Maybe
you should know, but it's a new group. Ourbirthday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hungry. that name Kick for real? Good verse. Whipping us.
The whipped part is so nice.
It's a new group, right?
Yeah.
They just sold side A.
Like
It's
4 days
what we
ago.
are thinking. Basically, side A and side B. It was a performance video, it looked like a music video. Wow. They're hungry for success. They just debuted.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just.
That's when you're supposed to be hungry, right? Because when you
Okay. But why our birthday?
The name.
Well, it is unique. Our birthday.
whipped cream, big dream.
Maybe what's the name of their fans?
We don't know.
Birthday cake.
Birthdays.
Birthday cakes.
You know when they say the whipped cream, where do you put whipped cream? In a cake, right?
Yeah. It's their birthday.
And still they're hungry. They have big dreams, right? The song was all about
Big
hungry,
hungry.
right? All night, and they're very working hard, right?
Wow.
Until I'm satisfied.
Still not enough.
Still, it's not enough. It's so high. Just gotta take a bite. They're actually a birthday cake. Our birthday is a single body
Yeah,
cake.
actually, birthday cake.
That's what you know. Maybe you get all your answers. Right. The side B unit is looking and sounding so good too. Having the different flavors
that's
from
it.
each performance.
So there's 7. There's a side A and a side B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, 7. I think it's nice that they introduced 3 members first, because now I already know 3 members' names and faces. Wow. Okay. When they fall?
Maybe they're talking about side
Before.
Side A.
Side A.
A or 3.
Okay.
Side A or 3. Because if they're 7.
So it's the same song but 2 different. Okay. Finally, we got the B side. Okay. That was nice.
They raised the bar,
Joy P is now playing.
bro. Like this, like debuting groups.
Yeah.
Bro, it's like the more they come, the more they raise the bar for other upcoming groups.
Yeah.
To debut, they raise the bar so high. Because
Yeah.
just imagine they are this good.
Mhm.
Imagine the next debuting group has to be equally this good or more than. So they raise the bar. Wow, that's fire.
That is true. To reach a time where like people are now like, bro, like you'll be like, if you want to debut, but you see that the bar is very
Yeah,
high.
so Ah,
Might lose hope because these new groups they look just as solid as groups that debuted 2 years ago. You can't even tell a difference.
Yeah,
They
it's-
don't show weakness. They don't show like they're not dancing very well. They're new. They are literally like fierce. They're like confident.
Confident,
and, like,
yeah.
you got that idol looks already. Like
yeah, everything is like perfect already.
to reach a time, it's very hard to debut. Or just as they say, like in a year it can debut 1,000 groups, but at the end of the year only like 50 of them made it or make it. So it's going to be very hard as we keep on going.
Yeah.
If you're trying to like see in the future, it's going to be very hard for a lot of groups, unless you are in the top 10 companies, I think. But it's a good thing too. It's a good thing. Alright, that was amazing. Discovering our birthday. New era. We're finishing with the video with new era. No era. No era. It's not new era. Okay. X. It's like those things of computers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Executor.
Okay. We have subtitles.
Come on, let me out there. EXE.
The beat is fire.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Special play. Hey. Okay. Nice.
So it's like
You ready? Oh, the effects. They're in the computer. The dance is so smooth. Unfolding in time. Fire, bro! Ain't gonna lie. I just need your command, like an EXE5. This beat was so fire. That one was very fire.
Wow.
There is never a song with that type of chord. What is it called?
chord progression.
Yeah,
And it's
which
bad.
is bad.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
those previous mastered songs. Doom,
Mm.
doom, doom,
Mm.
doom, doom, doom. It's the same chord progression.
That was fire, bro. Did you see the creativity in this video? the creativity was insane. First of all, the video, the way it's made, it's like in a computer, but also the transitions of the real life new era and the computer ones. Like there was this transition here as they're dancing. From there to there, and they're dancing the same. You know? Just like zooming out the camera and zooming in and down. Is it here? Ah, this is where the song is. There. You see that?
Oh,
You see that?
yeah.
You see that? You see that transition? Bro, and also the meaning of like the song in general, the EXE, how you can command a file. You know, like these things, your computer heads know. You call in and man, that's what they started about, right? So you are, if you see, I feel like you're very like perplexed, seeing how they turn it into a song. You know, like how you can command the file, EXE file, and what they're trying to relate that.
EXE is like short form of executable file by Windows. It's executable. The EXE, that means it's executable by Windows. Yeah.
I like your explanation.
That's
It's oh. Okay.
That's the short
how
form.
do I know this is
It's
the
like
Is it like when you install like something and you need to like when you want to install it? Something like that? Or
It's-
not that?
it's I'm trying to find an easy way like to explain. Executable.
It can be used.
Yeah, let me say it can be used, or it's because like it's .exe. You know, like folders or files have different like yeah. There's exe.1.1. Now exe files like they're. If I say easily executable by Windows, I'll still leave you there. How can I put that?
It can be used, guys.
Yeah, let's just put it like that. Can be
It's a file
executed.
that can be used.
Yeah, can be easily executable by Windows.
Yeah, he's right.
Win-
EXE file is, he's trying to tell you it's an executable file. So it's an abbreviation first of all. And
Yeah.
then it is a file type used on Windows computers to run or install software programs.
You could
Oh,
have said
so
that.
That is
yeah,
what
like
we
when
wanted.
you want
We
to
know it
install
is
When to
it.
install
executable,
something, yeah,
But
yeah.
we wanted to
Okay.
know how is this file.
Executable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So I said it like I didn't do. Oh, okay.
Usually when you're starting something, you know that when you're installing
when you
something,
install
that thing which tells you install that's an EXE file.
Okay.
So here when they say I'm an exe, all I need is your command.
Yeah.
I've come to your.
I'll unfold all of me. You know like how it unfolds. Yeah. You know saying like the way they put that into the song and everything. From head to toe, you scan it, I'll appear in your dimension.
Okay. Okay, makes
Ah,
sense.
Then I hope you
Now
get
I
a nice
understand.
yeah, and we see now how the video was, yeah.
I clear up
Six
this
days, bro.
3 days.
Back in the days,
It was very nice seeing these transitions, like him jumping here.
They also look good in their outfits, like
The big
American,
ones.
Yeah, American soccer, American football jerseys. No, American football jerseys. Yeah, but,
That was amazing.
yeah.
Nouera, that was fire. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you again in the next video. Stay safe, stay tuned. Peace out.